Okay, it didn't work. What I'm gonna do today, we are going to do shadow roots. So I got my, okay, the shadow roots, because this is what happened. Do you see what happened? It's not the color that I want. My grays are getting to be too, you see, it's not pretty at all. So what I'm gonna do today, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do the shadow roots. So I'm gonna use this color here. Yeah, it's not a sponsored video. I'm gonna use this color here, which is light cool brown. And I'm going to do here, but just a little bit, and around here. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it, so let's get started so we don't miss anything. This is really cool because it's natural, it's healthy looking, blends away the grays, and that's what we want. No ammonia. I hate that smell of ammonia. I don't like it. I don't really need this because I've been doing this for so long. Oh, it didn't come with the gloves. You have the activator, you have conditioner, which I think it's pretty cool, the color, and some gloves. I have my bowl, this one that might be cool for like the sides. 2 brushes in case I don't know which one I want to use. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, it has no smell. I don't like the smell. I don't like that harsh smell. So here it is, and what I'm going to do today, I'm not going to do it very, you know, it's going to blend. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you first. Okay, it's going to do, I'm going to do this. This and tiny little bit, maybe less than an inch, and then I will comb it down and you'll see how it goes. Art. I call it art. So let me show you here what I'm doing. So 1 little tiny inch, you see? It's a shadow root. It's going to be a shadow. And then I brush it down to where I really want it. Okay, just one quick tip. I'm not doing it horizontally like this. I'm doing it vertical like this. So it will have cool, wavy. It's not going to be like this. It's going to be all like this. As you can see, you see the back? This is going to be all shadow, and it's going to take away the orangey, brassy that I did not like it. You see how it is here? It's only going to be here and here and here, and that's it. It's not going to be a very strong contrast, but it's going to blend. It's going to look pretty cool. How much I still have? This is going away because you can't keep it. To keep this on for 20 minutes, I'm going to wash it, style it. I'm anxious. This is going to be the first time I washed it. I rinsed it. And I just have to tell you, this shampoo that I bought, the Theory one, my hair smells like roses. Anyways, we're gonna check this out for the first time together. So let's see how it looks. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, wow. Well, let's brush it. I love this brush because it dries very fast. And I did conditioner my hair a lot. Okay, it looks much better. I already feel it. It looks much better, and I'm liking it much better. You see? Oh, yes. Okay, so let's blow dry this baby. can already feel that the color is perfect. I'm gonna style my hair and we're gonna come back, but for now, I mean, it's just perfect. Okay, final results. I think it looks great. I mean, it's what I like my hair to be. And I'll show you. There's no grays whatsoever. It's not brassy, as you can see. There's no brassiness at all. Nothing. No brassiness. It's amazing. You see? No grays, no brassiness. It's perfect here. See the crown? It blends. I'm still blonde. It really worked. Much better than how it was. So this would be like a smudge shadow. I wouldn't say, this would be like a smudge because it's blending, because I did it vertically. I did not do it horizontal, so I wouldn't have those. And then what I did to style it, I just blow dried it. I did use a lot of conditioner before. I heat serum. The curls cream just to give it a little bit of a bounce. So I could do this, but my hair is very soft. And this color was the cool brown one, the cool light brown. Results, I guess it's very good. Yeah, I think it's very good. The brassiness, I'm very happy with this color. I wasn't feeling very comfortable with my other color. That's why I wanted to change this. That's gonna be it. So I hope you enjoyed this little, I'm gonna have fun with my new hair now. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, press that button here, there, everywhere, and we're gonna do some more fun videos, and that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching.